Hello, children of rural culture. It is a good day to learn our mother tongue. We want to talk about the consonant. It's pronounced. Say it again. Examples of words that start with in Urhobo. Hahame, Hawoma, Herebe. Do you know words starting with in Urhobo? Tell us in the comments. Let's learn together.